Unboxing a Morse code key by UR5CDX. I've been in CW for a few months now, made about 120 QSOs, wanted to get myself something maybe different from the Bengali that everybody else seems to get, so I ordered this. Ordered it a little over a week ago. It's from UR5CDX in Ukraine, and it shipped about 8 hours after I ordered it, which is really impressive given that this is a country at war. I got the taller brass model with the clear finger pieces. Really packed up nicely in styrofoam and everything. This is the CT73B model on the side. Open here. I'm gonna have to grab a knife. All right, I'm going to open here. There's the key. Gonna go ahead and slide this guy on out. This thing is really packed nicely. Okay. And there we are. I went ahead and got a version with my call sign engraved on it. Comes with a nice audio cable, used of course for the keyer here, with a 1/4 inch little bit on the end. And okay, this is the UR5CDX nameplate, if I wanted that instead of my call sign. There don't appear to really be any instructions or anything, which I guess is strange. This thing is packed really nicely. It's fixed down, actually screwed down to this thick cardboard like container that it came with. So I will go ahead and get a screwdriver to take that off. All right, so I like this screwdriver, by the way. It's a Klein Tools Demolition Phillips. And so it's one of the ones with the metal butt plate that's designed to be hammered on, which I've never really used it as such, but it's a resilient piece of kit. Boy, they really packaged the hell out of this thing. It's got this nice little plastic plate here to hold it down. Go ahead, undo these twist ties. First impressions of this are really positive. I'll zoom in with the camera in a little bit, but this is a nicely packed piece of equipment that looks just really nice. Clear, good attention to detail in the packaging, which I care about. There are no instructions, which is weird. I assume they're on the website or something. Honestly, I don't really miss not getting a little instruction manual. Good audio cable. You can see the actual little connections on there as the cable is replaceable. I am very excited to try this out. Just moving this over. Very heavy, feels solid. Looks good. I wish they made this with red finger pieces instead of the clear here. I think the red would look really sharp, especially with the gold finished version. They make a silver finished version that might look better with blue or green or something. I'm right-handed, but I send CW left-handed. I guess that's a little bit unusual. Okay, so let's go try this out.